guys, I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig install and unboxing of this 24-inch straight wig from Isee hair. This wig is 100% glueless, you guys. It was pre-plucked, the knots were pre-bleached, and the lace was already cut, you guys. This wig is 100% glueless. Like, I feel like Isee hair really comes through with the glueless wigs, and the quality is actually there. Not only is it bleached well and plucked well, the quality eats. Isee hair actually sent me this wig to show you all on my channel, so of course I'm going to link it in the description box. But we are going to go ahead and get into this video. I hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. So we are going to go ahead and unbox this wig. One thing about Isee hair, they always come through with the presentation. Like, they be eating the girlies up. So let's go ahead and get into it. Here it is. They put it in like this little cute little gift bag, and I swear this is just adorable. Bam, bam, bam. Okay, let's actually look at this wig. So even it's in the gift bag, and then it's in this nice little box, which is even cuter. Let's go ahead and unbox this wig because I know y'all are ready to see what we're working with here. Little sticker here, like I'm telling you, presentation, and even the tissue paper has the company's name on it. Like, okay, get into it. We're gonna put the wig to the side. First, we're gonna look at all of the presents we got over here. So it comes with a bonnet and these bomb mink lashes. Like, look at that. These are actually really nice lashes. I feel like a lot of companies, they're gonna give you some little cheap lashes. These are actually pretty nice. So that's the bonnet. And then it came with two wig caps. So you have a regular wig cap, and then you have that nice HD wig cap. And it comes with a flyer. And in here, you have an elastic band and combs. But let's go ahead and look at this wig. I'm gonna put this box to the side real quick. Let's get into it. So this is a 24-inch glueless pre-plucked wig. So I should not have to do anything to it. I should just be able to put this wig on and call it a day. Like, look at that. Let me take this paper off of it, the net off of it. So here is the wig. She is super duper pretty, very flowy. Like, look at that. Very, very pretty, and actually thick all the way to the ends. So that definitely eats the girlies up. I love that. Here is the lace. So as you can see, the knots are pre-bleached. Let me turn it this way. It is pre-bleached and it is already pre-plucked. So this thing, very easy. This is the perfect wig for beginners, or if you're just trying to skip all of that extra stuff. If you don't want to have to pluck your hairline or bleach the knots yourself, you got this wig right here, bam. You don't even have to make your own middle part. The middle part is already there for you. I know that can also be hard for some people. But let's actually take this wig off of this paper so we can really see what we're working with here, child. Oh, and also the lace is pre-cut, so you don't even have to cut your own lace. Like, they make it really, really easy for you these days. These wigs are also just perfect whenever you're in between hairstyles or something. You don't really have time to actually get your hair done, or your hairstylist actually canceled on you. She sent you a hey boo text. This is it. This is for you, girly. Like, that is really, really gorgeous. So here is how much lace you get. So this is like a 9x6. So you get a lot of parting space. So you even could part this and do a side part if you wanted to. And you have enough lace to do a little baby hair if you do want to add baby hair to this wig. So the only thing I'm gonna do to this wig, because I'm a brown dark girly, I'm going to add a little bit of lace tint to the lace to make it a little darker and just a little bit closer to my skin tone. So let's go ahead and do that. Yeah, and then I'm gonna blow dry this spray on here. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you all, it does have an elastic band on it. And also in this little package, it does have like a little extra elastic band if you need that for whatever reason. This one does have a little grippiness on it, so it's gonna keep your wig extra secure. And it does have that adjustable strap, so if your head is a little bit smaller, you can always adjust this strap, or you just want your wig to fit tighter for whatever reason. You can adjust the strap, make it a little bit tighter. Okay, so yeah, I'm just gonna throw this wig on real quick and we're gonna see what it is. It will be what it is. Okay, bam. Just like that, it's already eating, you guys. Let me just put it in the middle of my head. Bam, like that is so easy. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me turn on my hot comb so we can get this wig ultra flat. But yeah, that's really it, you guys. That's all she wrote. That is really it, you guys. That is all it takes to install these wigs. And this wig, with it being straight, it's already like that beautiful bone straight look. So if you want to get a little bust down, wear and go that you can just slap on real quick, this is it for you guys. This is it. This is the one. Let me make sure my part is in the middle, and it is really eating the girlies up. Like this looks good. Bam. Isee Hair really has the Glueless wig game on lock. I'm not gonna lie to you. They do have some of the best. And I've tried a lot of them so far. I just absolutely love the wig from Isee Hair. Just the quality of hair by itself is eating the girlies up. So I'm just adding a little bit of mousse to make sure the hair is just laid and ultra flat. So let's go ahead and do this. And this is really easy, you guys. Just like that, you got a nice little straight wig. Just that easy, like that's all it takes. And when I wear my wigs, I actually do not wear a wig cap. And when you don't wear a wig cap, sometimes it does make the part like less bold. So I'm also gonna go in with a little bit of makeup and just put a little makeup on the part. Let me go over this again. So it's just ultra flat all the way to the back. Like this is cute. It's eating 24 inches. So this is like a nice like normal length. Like it goes right under my boobs. I'm 5'7", so if you're a little shorter, it's gonna be even longer on you. Very cute. And just like that, you got a bust down wig. Like you can just take on, take off whenever you need to. Like just like that. It's just that simple. Of course, this wig is not glued down whatsoever. Let's bend this lace up so you all can see. It is not glued down. It is just that simple, you guys. That is it for this video. It really is easy. These wigs are very convenient. But that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Once again, this is a straight wig from Isee Hair. I'm going to link it in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany. And thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.